In this video, we will talk about how to earn $1,000 from TikTok Automation, TikTok Creativity Program. So make sure to watch the full video. TikTok has emerged as a powerhouse in the realm of social media, captivating millions with its short-form video content. Amidst this frenzy, the TikTok Creativity Program stands as a beacon for aspiring creators, offering rewards and recognition for captivating content. However, unlocking its potential requires more than just creativity. It demands strategy and innovation. In this guide, we delve into the intricacies of the TikTok Creativity Program, exploring how automation can amplify your content creation efforts and pave the way to earning $1,000. From identifying profitable niches to leveraging trending challenges, discover the keys to success in TikTok's dynamic landscape. 1. Understanding TikTok's Creativity Program. Delve into TikTok's Creativity Program, a platform initiative designed to inspire captivating content creation. Familiarize yourself with its guidelines, rewards, and how automation tools can amplify your involvement. Understanding its dynamics empowers you to navigate TikTok strategically, boosting your chances of earning rewards and recognition within its vibrant community. By embracing the nuances of the Creativity Program, you position yourself to leverage its benefits optimally, paving the way for enhanced visibility, engagement, and, ultimately, monetization opportunities within TikTok's expansive ecosystem of creators and users. 2. Identify profitable niches. Conduct comprehensive research to uncover lucrative niches on TikTok, such as beauty or fitness, renowned for their high engagement and monetization potential. Tailoring your content towards these niches, coupled with automation tools, significantly enhances your likelihood of earning rewards and expanding your influence within TikTok's bustling ecosystem. By identifying and targeting profitable niches, you set yourself up for success by aligning your content with the preferences and behaviors of your target audience, maximizing your potential for engagement and monetization. 3. Automate content creation. Embrace automation tools to streamline content creation processes on TikTok seamlessly. From scheduling posts to crafting captions, automation enhances efficiency and consistency, allowing you to allocate time to other vital aspects of content creation and monetization. By leveraging automation, you free up valuable time and resources to focus on content strategy, audience engagement, and monetization strategies, enabling you to scale your presence on TikTok effectively while delivering high-quality, engaging content consistently to your audience. 4. Create high-quality content. Prioritize the production of top-tier content that resonates with your audience, even with automation. Compelling videos serve as the cornerstone for garnering views, likes, and followers, pivotal metrics for earning rewards and recognition within TikTok's vibrant community. By focusing on creating high-quality content, you differentiate yourself in a crowded landscape, establishing credibility, trust, and authority among your followers, while attracting new audiences to your profile. High-quality content not only enhances your chances of earning rewards and recognition, but also solidifies your position as a respected creator within the TikTok community. 5. Leverage trending challenges and hashtags. Stay abreast of trending challenges and hashtags on TikTok to fuel your content strategy. Integrating these trends into your automated content amplifies visibility and reach, expanding your audience and augmenting your chances of earning rewards and acclaim within TikTok's thriving ecosystem. Capitalizing on trends keeps your content fresh and relevant, driving continuous engagement and growth within the platform's dynamic landscape. By actively participating in trending challenges and utilizing popular hashtags, you increase the discoverability of your content, attract new followers, and enhance your overall impact and influence on TikTok. Trending challenges and hashtags provide valuable opportunities for engagement and exposure, allowing you to connect with a broader audience and solidify your presence on the platform. 6. Engage with your audience. Despite automation, prioritize authentic interaction with your audience. Responding to comments, messages, and interactions fosters a sense of community and loyalty, crucial for long-term success and monetization on TikTok. Cultivating genuine connections with your audience strengthens your influence and enhances your earning potential within the platform's dynamic landscape. By actively engaging with your audience, you foster trust, loyalty, and a sense of belonging, creating a dedicated fan base that actively supports and promotes your content. Authentic interaction humanizes your brand, making it more relatable and memorable to your followers, ultimately driving increased engagement, loyalty, and monetization opportunities on TikTok. 7. Monetize through affiliate marketing. Forge partnerships with relevant brands or affiliate programs to monetize your content effectively. Promoting products in your automated content can yield commissions for every sale or referral generated, leveraging automation to streamline campaign management and maximize revenue. Effective affiliate marketing strategies bolster your earning potential on TikTok, creating sustainable income streams from your content creation efforts within the platform's vibrant ecosystem. By partnering with brands and promoting their products or services, you not only diversify your revenue streams, but also provide value to your audience by introducing them to relevant and high-quality offerings. Affiliate marketing offers a lucrative opportunity to monetize your TikTok presence while maintaining authenticity and relevance to your audience. 8. Collaborate with other creators. Expand your reach by collaborating with fellow TikTok creators. Utilize automation to facilitate seamless collaborations, such as scheduling joint live streams or creating collaborative content, fostering mutual growth and engagement. Collaborative efforts broaden your audience base and enhance your visibility within TikTok's vibrant community, unlocking new opportunities for earning rewards and recognition through strategic partnerships and creative synergy. By collaborating with other creators, you tap into their audience and expertise, exposing your content to new followers and enhancing your overall impact and influence on the platform. Collaborations provide valuable networking opportunities and allow you to leverage the strengths and creativity of others to create compelling content that resonates with a wider audience. 9. Offer exclusive content through memberships. Utilize TikTok's membership feature to offer exclusive perks and content to your subscribers. Automating the management and delivery of these benefits adds value to your audience's experience, fostering loyalty and engagement. Leveraging memberships enhances your revenue potential on TikTok, providing a sustainable income stream alongside other monetization avenues within the platform's dynamic ecosystem. By offering exclusive content through memberships, you incentivize your most dedicated followers to support your content financially, creating a sense of exclusivity and belonging while rewarding their loyalty and support. Memberships offer a valuable opportunity to monetize your TikTok presence while providing additional value and benefits to your most engaged and committed followers. 10. Track performance and optimize strategies. Continuously monitor your automated content's performance using TikTok's analytics tools. Analyze trends, audience behavior, and engagement metrics to refine your strategies and maximize earnings. Adapting to evolving trends and preferences ensures long-term success and sustainability as a TikTok creator. Optimizing your content creation efforts for maximum impact and profitability within the platform's dynamic and ever-changing landscape. By tracking performance metrics and analyzing audience insights, you gain valuable insights into what resonates with your audience and what drives engagement and monetization on TikTok. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your content strategy, optimize your tactics, and stay ahead of the curve, ensuring continued growth, relevance, and profitability as a TikTok creator. In conclusion, the TikTok Creativity Program presents a lucrative opportunity for creators to earn rewards and recognition through captivating content. By harnessing automation tools and implementing strategic approaches, you can optimize your content creation efforts and increase your chances of earning $1,000. From identifying profitable niches to engaging with your audience authentically, each aspect plays a crucial role in your journey to success on TikTok. Embrace the platform's dynamic landscape, stay attuned to trends, and continuously refine your strategies to maximize your earning potential. With dedication, creativity, and the right approach, You can unlock the full benefits of the TikTok Creativity Program and thrive as a content creator. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.